Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out some new toe tips from Novo Ovo. First of all, look at the packaging. They changed it. Instead of clear, it's now pink. When I opened it up and saw this, I just about died. I think it's the cutest thing ever. Guys, good job. This looks so good. So these are their new straight pre-French toe tips. They're gel. There's so many sizes in here, as you can see. I'm gonna just pull out the biggest one to let you take a look at that. And these are cut square and sharp instead of more rounded like the first set that I reviewed by them. So I'm just giving you a look at the curve there. They're not super curved, and here they are all sized out. And we're gonna do a quick Gel X toe application. I hope you guys like this. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you do, and I'll do more of these types of videos. I'm gonna use their brand glue, which I absolutely love. I have to say, it's one of my favorites. So I'm set up on my floor here. I'm using my old lamp. I always do for my toes. I already prepped my toes. I used cuticle remover, trimmed the cuticles. I used some dehydrator, some primer, and I have a coat of peel off base on my toes. It's by my cart. So I struggled a little bit. I haven't done many toe sets, so that's why. And they're just really tiny to hold on to, but I'm definitely, as I go on, I'm getting more of a hang of it. It's just, they're so tiny compared to doing fingers, but I mean, they have to be tiny, and there's so many sizes, guys. I really think if you want to try these out, you totally should. I really like the way that these square, sharp toes turned out. I think they're so pretty. Very easy instead of having to paint a French on your toes, because I definitely wouldn't want to be doing that, because I'm like getting blind the older I get. I mean, I'm not really blind. Obviously, I wear glasses, but you know, whatever. I don't know what I was saying. So I just scooped some out, and I'm going to apply it to my toe and try and get as much excess as I can off. And then I'm going to flash cure it. I don't know what's going on with my flash cure lamp. I think it needs new batteries, this little flashlight one. I was just struggling a little bit. I have a pretty bad headache when I was filming this, but I wanted to get these on because my toes were looking not great. I had just a regular black polish on my toes, like regular nail polish, and it was all chipped, and it was time for a refresh, so I just really wanted to get these on. So yeah, my flash cure lamp was being a little bitch, and I don't know. So I start like flash curing with the big lamp because I'm getting aggravated. So yeah. This is really simple, really self-explanatory, but if you want them to last, obviously don't use a peel-off base coat for yours. These still last me about 2 weeks with a peel-off base underneath, which is super great. So I can't imagine how long they would last if you prep well and use a regular base coat. So I'm sorry if you can hear like background noise. There's always something going on here, I swear. My husband's outside mowing the lawn, and it's kind of loud, like no matter where I sit. So yeah, if you hear that, that's what you're hearing. Yes, so definitely let me know down below what you think of these. Do you use toe tips? Do you use gel on your toes? Do you use regular polish? Like, let me know. Do you have any tips for me? Because I could definitely use them, as well as some more practice. But these are absolutely beautiful. And again, a shout out and a thank you so much to Novo Ovo for sending these over for me to try out. I am so appreciative of you guys for working with me since the very beginning. I love you, and you always have a special place in my heart, and I love your products so much, and I can't recommend that nail glue enough. It's a big 15-gram tub, and it lasts so long. It's so non-sticky, so easy to scoop, easy to work with, one of the easiest to clean up, and I am not just saying that, and it's such a good price. I believe it's $9 or $10 on Amazon. Obviously, I'll link everything down below for you guys. And that's my dog. Like I said, there's always something going on. So here's what we're looking like so far. These are perfect. I really do like the length. Since I started using toe tips, I'm getting more comfortable with a tiny bit of length on my toes. I usually keep them super short. Like I would paint my natural toe the length it is right now. but these just give a little extra something, and I'm just like really loving these. I can't wait for you to see the final result, and if you saw the thumbnail, then you already got a little sneak peek there. So yeah, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. I'm so over summer right now. Honestly, like, I'm waiting for it, but it's so goddamn hot. I just can't wait for fall. I literally cannot wait. I don't want to have to wear shorts all the time. Like, I just want to wear some leggings and a sweatshirt, and, you know, not to complain. Like, summer's great and everything, but I'm about done. Yeah. So here we are doing the big toe. I honestly, weirdly enough, I couldn't wait to do the big toe, just to finally get the final effect, and see a full foot done. And I do only show myself doing this foot, but I do the other one off camera, and I believe I top coat off camera. I was just having a day. Yeah, let me know if you want to see more of these types of tutorials, and I will definitely continue doing some toe videos. Would you like to see a charmed up set? I've never done that before. Let me know. Give me some ideas in the comments. If you are interested in watching that, I will most definitely have some fun doing that. Yeah. So after I get this big toe on there and cleaned up, honestly, I didn't have much cleanup to do at all. This glue is like so easy to work with. I cannot say enough good things about this glue. Look how pretty these straight square toes are. Oh my gosh. I love them. So I do a 60-second full cure. Here is both feet done, and I'm just doing a little extra cure on the tips of the toes right here because I just want to make sure I got all the glue. So I'm just going to file them up a tiny bit. They look pretty much perfect. I hate when nails have like huge nubs on them that you have to work super hard to get off, especially when they have such a beautiful shape like this. I don't want to mess it up, but these barely had any, so I'm just going to do that. And if there's any glue, I just, like that right there, I'm going to clip it off carefully with my nail clipper, or you can use old cuticle clippers, whatever. Don't use the pair that you use on your cuticles. And my thumbnail popped off during filming, so that's great. Sorry about that. Again, I'm a nail biter, so that's why my nails are so short, unfortunately. Hopefully we can stop biting our nails sometime soon. So yeah, like I said, after I file these up and trim any glue on a couple of them, like that one again right there, I'm going to do some top coat, and this was so fast, so easy. I love it so much. So this is the top coat. It's just one I'm trying to use up by Savvyland, and I do show you me painting my big toe, and then cure it for 60 seconds, and you're good to go.